So today we have to finish up what I started yesterday. I started yesterday sanitizing the tank, which means I filled it up with water, ran a little bit of bleach in there, let it sit for 12 hours, and then drained it all out through the pipes. I'm doing the same thing again today. I'm just filling it up with fresh water, and then we're going to run it through again. Leave it empty for a couple days, and then I will fill it back up for our trip. I'll explain to you in a minute why yesterday didn't seem to have a video. But first I have to find the right key for that lock, and that's never a fun thing to do. Alright, let's do this. You know, it's always good to have two hoses, one for potable water, one for just everything else. So this white hose does nothing but our drinking water, period. All right, let me fill you in on yesterday. What happened yesterday was, I'm trying out a new camera, which is the big GH5, which I know we're gonna have to use when we're on the road. I filmed everything. I had a great day yesterday filming everything. Went to put it in the computer. Had the settings wrong on the clips, and my computer wouldn't handle it, so everything lost. Absolutely everything got lost. So here's what it is. Now I have to start packing away all my camera gear. Here, you know what, I'll show you, hold on. These are my camera bags. I have to fit these in there next to the refrigerator. This camera bag goes into the bus. That's my kind of everyday camera bag. I carry everything in it, including the drone, which is in that box. So let's see what we can do.
It fits.
It does.
I must have measured wrong then.
No, it fits. No, it's perfect.
No.
I moved that over a little bit.
Oh, okay, okay. Got it.
But there's a box right there. See it on the other side?
Oh, yeah.
That's why everything's kind of got to be in that area.
Ah, okay.
It's tight, but in the back there, that bag is my camera bag. I do have stuff in that I use. Then I have my computer bag here. The refrigerator's here. And then all the cooking stuff is going to go in that box. I don't know. See, that bag is hitting that little door close. We've got to strap that down so it doesn't hit it anymore. Now that bag is strapped down. I don't want to call myself a genius, but you know, shoe fits, I'll wear it. Now it's time to fill the refrigerator. Okay, there you go. I've got my chargers there. I've got my camera bag that I use but don't use a lot there. My computer bag back there, which I don't use a lot either. I've got my cooking supplies right here, and I got my refrigerator right there. This is like the greatest thing in the world. By the way, the reason I have all this outside is because I do most of my work outside. I love the hot weather, I love being outside, and this is where I do most of my work. So